Hello and welcome, creative souls, to Vera Artist. Today, in our exciting The Art of Prompt Writing series, we're embarking on a journey that blends creativity with precision. Get ready to dive into an exploration of imagination as we demonstrate how to craft a simple yet compelling prompt to bring a majestic underwater kingdom to vivid life. Can you imagine transforming your thoughts into a captivating digital masterpiece with just a few carefully chosen words? Are you thrilled to unleash the boundless potential of your creativity? Let's launch into this fascinating adventure with excitement. This tutorial is designed not just to teach, but to unlock the creative genius within you. We're here to inspire you to transform your visions into stunning digital images. Are you ready to immerse yourself in the wonders of visual storytelling? Creating eye-catching masterpieces with Flux. One relies on the magic of writing precise, descriptive prompts. Here are the thrilling details of your current project. Title: Majestic Underwater Kingdom. It all begins with the title, a spark that sets your creative journey in motion. Style: fantasy and immersive. Your chosen style colors the entire project with its unique flair, influencing each creative decision. Scene description: a sprawling underwater kingdom located in a vibrant coral reef, filled with majestic sea creatures and fascinating underwater plants. The scene features grandiose structures made of coral and seashells, with colorful schools of fish swimming gracefully. The scene description builds the world where your artistic story unfolds, captivating the viewers from the first glance. Emotion and atmosphere: awe-inspiring and tranquil with a sense of wonder. Emotion and atmosphere breathe life into your work, shaping how viewers feel and connect with your art. Lighting: soft, diffused light filtering through the water, casting dynamic reflections. Lighting infuses your scene with depth and intrigue, highlighting details and casting shadows that captivate the viewer. Color palette: diverse shades of blues and greens with splashes of coral pinks and yellows. Colors evoke emotions and create a visual symphony, filling your image with life and vitality. Camera angle and perspective: wide-angle view offering a panoramic glimpse of the kingdom. The camera angle defines the viewer's journey, guiding their gaze and creating an immersive experience. Main subjects and object details: coral palaces, exotic fish, and intricate marine flora. Main subjects serve as the stars of your visual story, drawing in the viewer's imagination. Textures and materials: smooth seashells, textured corals, and silky seaweed. Textures enhance realism, inviting viewers to feel the scene and adding layers of richness. Movement and dynamics: gentle currents swaying plant life, fish darting between coral pillars. Movement adds rhythm to your composition, guiding the viewer's eye through the visual narrative. Interaction of elements: light interplay with water creating shimmering patterns. Element interactions create harmony and flow, weaving a cohesive and engaging story. Symbolism and narrative: a vision of harmonious underwater life and oceanic beauty. Symbolism adds depth, inviting viewers to explore hidden meanings and narratives. Composition: expansive and harmonious, highlighting the expansive beauty of the seas. Composition balances and arranges elements, crafting a visual journey that captivates and pleases the eye. Additional considerations: capture the diversity and richness of marine life. Unique touches bring a signature flair to your work, making it unforgettable. Now that our detailed prompt is complete, let's witness the magic unfold. Here, display the image or the creation process. The final image beautifully reflects the intricacy and imagination infused into our prompt, showcasing the magic of creativity at its best. We hope you're inspired by this adventure and see how a simple prompt can unlock a world of creativity. Share your own prompts or creative thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't miss out on our upcoming episodes. Subscribe to Vera Artist and continue this exciting creative journey with us.